Welcome. In front of me is a fake Samsung, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. And to get started, you want to hold power key and then select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to then hold power key and volume up at the same time. So that's right now, power and volume up. This will boot us into the boot mode, so in here you will need to use volume up to navigate, and you want to select recovery mode, and then press volume down to confirm it. Next thing you will see is Android with no command, so to get past this, simply hold power key, press volume up, and there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. And in here you can use both of the volume keys to navigate, and you want to do so in order to select wipe cache partition, and confirm it with power key. Cache wipe complete should be at the bottom, and reboot system now at that point will be selected by default, so press power key to initiate the reboot and go back to Android. And give it a moment and it should boot back up. There we go. And there we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.